If you want to make your SurveyMonkey survey easier to read and more organized, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add sections in SurveyMonkey step by step. This is a simple trick that helps you separate different parts of your survey, keep respondents focused, and make your form look much more professional. Whether you're building a customer feedback survey, a registration form, or a research questionnaire, adding section headers can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Survey to open the survey you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, you can also create a new survey and then add your sections as you build it. After your survey opens, go to the question where you want to add the section. This is the spot where you want the new section label to appear before or between your questions. Next, click the Add button in the survey editor. This opens the list of elements you can insert into your survey. From the menu, click on Text. This is the option you'll use to create a section heading. Now type the section name you want to use, such as Section 1, Section 2, or any title that matches your survey flow. Keep it short and clear so respondents immediately understand what this part of the survey is about. Once you've typed your section title, select the text you just entered. This is important because you need to format it so it stands out from the rest of the content. After the text is highlighted, click the bold option and then save your changes. Making the section title bold helps separate it visually from your regular survey questions, which makes the survey easier to scan and more organized. You can repeat the same process anytime you want to add another section somewhere else in your survey. Just go to the next point in the survey, click Add, choose Text, type the new section title, select it, make it bold, and save again. If you're building a longer survey, this is a great way to break it into parts so people don't feel overwhelmed. It also helps you structure your questions by topic, like demographics, product feedback, or final comments. So that's how to add sections in SurveyMonkey in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.